Hello there. Welcome to Success Online Australia, where we share our knowledge on growing your sales through strategic planning on web development and optimization. In this video, we are going to share which is better for online business brand, a funnel or a website. On the previous video, we discussed the pros and cons of a funnel page site. In case you missed it, you can find the link of the video on the description box below or click the I button. For this video, we are going to discuss the pros and cons of a business website. We all know that most online business nowadays use a website to sell and present their product. If you are planning to make a website, here are some pros and cons of having a website. Pros. It allows the user to feel a connection with the website as the objects appear familiar. The designer has the ability to trigger emotions by creating scenes within the web page. It gives the developer more creative options to express the company's brand. It gives the appearance the user can click on the objects, increasing the UX. Reaching a wider audience. Easy access to business information. Keeping it fresh. Publicity and advertising. Securing your brand online. Cons. Too many design elements can confuse the user. Strong focus on design takes away from the actual content. Heavy design elements can lead to longer load times. Incorrect use of shadows and textures can alter the actual appearance of the product. Reliability. Crashes and uptime. Difficulty reaching the right people. Spam. Bad publicity. Want a better and wider explanation about this video? Just email us at sales@successonline.com.au. Watch our upcoming videos as we explain deeper and compare the funnel site page and the business website to help you decide which really is better for online business brand. Please don't forget to like this video and make sure to subscribe on our channel and click the notification bell for you to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you for watching.